Dear friend, welcome to my electronic channel. You to the again in another video. Today's topic is ranks 32-inch LED TV panel problem. Friends, through this video tutorial, hope you can solve the vertical bar problem of any panel. So let's get it started. Anyway, I am turning on this TV to show you it problem. Friend, look, some area of the screen are showing vertical bar, but here is picture on and the screen graphics bad. Friends, this is the problem of this TV. So first we will note the number of this panel. The number of this panel is PT320AT02-2-XC-1 This the TV source PCB and this section is the DC to DC converter section. Anyway, I am turning on this TV. So first we measure the power supply voltage in 11.7 volts. It's okay. VDD 15.3 volts is okay. VGA is 29.0 volt, very nice. HVDD 7.2 volts, nice. VGL minus 7.08 volts, it is also okay. Friends, so we understand that the output voltage of the boost and the buck converter are correct. Friends, however, friends, this place look up carefully. First, look, this is the source curve and these are the right side gate voltage and these are the left side gate voltage. So let's first measure the right side gate voltage. First LC1, okay, then LC2, okay, CLK1, CLK2, CLK3, CLK4 and CLK8. Then STB1 or STBP. So friends, here the voltage from CLK1 to CLK8 is 3.5 volts, but here the voltage will be 4.5 volts. So let's complete the work and see the result. Friends, what I have done here, first I have modified LC1 and LC2 on the right side. First I have complete LC1 to BGAs and LC2 to BGL. Then I have cut LC1 and LC2 from the gate voltage on the left side. Now let's see on the screen. First we will release the LED TV from standby. Okay. Then I am turning on the LED TV. Follow the screen. See, the screen is completely clear. Friends, please subscribe the channel. Please like the video and share it with the friends.